Hello, my name is Marquita Riggins. I'm in the Gainesville region and I'm in the RN program. Galen has prepared me for the real world of nursing by taking me to accurate clinical sites. We go to clinical sites that are true to the nature of what goes on in their buildings. So I can appreciate knowing accuracy of how the company is ran and how they treat their clients. My memorable moment has to do with the people I came in with, more or less the students. We have became family and friends, and everybody's very happy and they lend out a helping hand. We study together, we eat together, and we cry together. So I can appreciate that.